After nearly a month of conflict, the signs and sounds of war are everywhere in Kyiv. Once bustling streets are empty. Now it's just the mangled ruins that remain. The Russian advance in the northeast is threatening Sumy, Chernihiv and Kharkiv. Each area is being shelled relentlessly. It's impossible to think that just weeks ago, this was a normal city. And as day breaks, hungry civilians queue for necessities. These ladies were asked if they need humanitarian aid.
Of course we need it. All the food shops are closed.
Only one supermarket is open. There is an influx of people. It is unaffordable there.
Underground, the stations of the Kharkiv metro have quickly become thousands of people's homes as they flee the destruction above.
We have been here since the 24th of February. Near our house, the school was on fire. Tanks were on fire. That's why we decided not to go back there. It is cold here. The children are getting sick. They get eye infections. They suffer from cold. They cough, as you can hear.
But even here, in an increasingly desperate situation, hope is not extinguished. A group of poets and musicians have performed underground, raising money for the war effort and raising people's spirits. Meanwhile, on the surface, authorities remain alert about possible threats. They think that this man is a Russian spy. In the fog of war, everyone is unfortunately a suspect. Kharkiv remains under Ukrainian control, but as it continues to be mercilessly pounded, no one knows how long it will be able to hold out.